Morning everyone, so welcome ulit sa ating vlog. Time check, it's already 11:36. So we're gonna do Uber Eats again for today, just until 2:30 or 3. So we'll see how much we can get. So antay pa tayo ng order. Since wala pa, let's just go to the hotspot place. Alright guys, so nandito na tayo sa hotspot, no? Setup nandito yung Woolworths, Sombrero, and McDonald's, Hungry Jacks. So medyo malapit lang talaga. Let's give it 5 to 10 minutes. We'll see if we can get a order. Sana Woolworths kasi malalaki doon. We will also try to observe kung busy ba, maraming drivers. Usually yun yung tinitignan ko kung maganda bumiyahe ng araw na yun. Minutes now. Wala pa po pass na order, no? So since malapit na tayo sa bahay, pwede tayo umuwi. Gusto na tayo magantay. We'll see in the next hours may orders. Yes, it's Thursday today. Usually yun yung mahinang day. And pinaka-busy day is Monday, Wednesday, Friday, Saturday. So, uwi muna tayo. Then try natin uwi mamaya mga 12:30. Alright guys, dito na tayo sa bahay. Failed ang ating first 20 minutes. So antay muna tayo dito sa bahay. Then try natin ulit mamaya. So stay tuned. Let's see if we can get something today. Ito yung downside kay Uber, or maybe disadvantage. Sometimes wala ka talaga makukuha. Sometimes medyo busy, pero okay lang kasi in the past few days medyo busy talaga. So we'll try and see later. So guys, tutuloy natin ulit yung pagdi-deliver, no? Nakatanggap tayo ng Woolworths order for $43 and another one for $22. So yung pick up nito parehas sa grocery. Maganda nito yung mga empleyado na ng grocery yung magdadala sa iyo ng mga i-deliver, no? So I think the reason why wala tayong makuha kanina kasi I checked the account and I just saw na meron tayong bad review na item is damaged, pero hindi pinapakita kung anong specific item nun, no? Kaya hindi natin malaman. Might be one of the grocery items na na-pick up natin, so we really don't know. Sa pag-Uber, no, pwede ka rin i-review ng mga customer after mo ma-deliver. Meron silang survey na matatanggap. So minsan din na nila pinapansin, minsan pinapansin. Currently nasa 98% tayo satisfactory rate. Okay, now let's just do this pickup. Madali naman mabawi yun, no? As long as ginagawa mo naman yung tama at alam mo namang satisfied ka sa work mo, wala ka naman dapat ipag-alala. Kasi minsan gina-justify talaga ni Uber, not unless kung lagi itong nangyayari. Kunyari may missing items o hindi ito natatanggap ng mga customer, kunyari hindi nila natatanggap yung delivery, pwede sila mag-bad review sa'yo. So luckily wala pa naman ganong instances. Usually about damaged items lang, and based on my experience, na-encounter ko lang to dun sa mga grocery pickups na wala naman tayo dong control. So okay, let's try to finish this in less than an hour. Okay, kaya nandito na tayo sa Woolies. We're just gonna wait for them to come here.
Ang bilis ng pickup mo. Okay. Sumapit lang less than 2 kilometers dun sa isang trapo. Alright guys, we're done with the Daft Pop. So this seems na small town lang siya, no? 70% of the time, you won't get the same customer. Okay, let's go. Less than 3 kilometers itong pangalawa. Should I stay lang sa video no kapaitaw sa inyo? Magkano pa yung video tayo na today? Tsaka kung ano plus orders pa mo, what happened?
So guys, just a quick recap for this vlog. Ang total amount na ating nakuha for today is $144. So short trips lang. Total of 5 trips. So naging online tayo almost 5 hours. So since hindi masyadong busy, hindi na natin pinush yung pagbiyahe sa araw na to. So sa may mga tanong, just comment on the post. We appreciate your effort to subscribe and to like our post. So for now, thank you.